start it. So this is called industrial sickness. This is the part of the 5th unit, industrial sickness. General concept is, so nowadays industrial sickness has been growing from the last decade. So especially if you see last 2 years in this pandemic time, there is so many of industries are removed, right? They have closed it because of there is no business. So this is nothing but I call sicknesses. So it's growing a faster one. So many traditional modern industries are now being affected by industrial sickness. Persisting problems are being faced by industrial sector of the countries. So adversely affected the health of industrial sector in particular and economy in general. Yes, if a sickness is there, automatically it affects the economy because so many employees are dependent on the industry and they will become the unemployed persons later on. So that affects a lot to the economy also. To layman, security is one which is not healthy. To investor, one which skips a dividend. To industrialist, a unit which is making losses. To banker, which incur cash losses in previous year and likely to repeat performance in current and following years. This also, according to the everybody point of view, is what is layman thinking about sickness is, what actually investor thinking about sickness is, what industrialist thinking about sickness is, and what a banker is thinking about sickness is. So its perception changes from one person to another person. Perception changes from one society to another society. If you see the layman point of view, which is not healthy, which is not good. Okay, but investor which is skips dividend, I don't need to pay anything there because dividend can be saved. Like that, he thinks start thinking about that. So industrialist unit which is making the losses, right? So he's getting so many of losses here. But banker is more important thing. Is called the banker which incurs cash losses in previous year, right? As well as likely to repeat performance current and following years. Huge losses possibility is there. So security is that which incur cash losses for 1 year and likely to continue incurring cash losses for the current year as well as for the following year, and the unit imbalances is financial structure is. So which is happening for the first year and goes on like this way. So a very tough situation you have to face. So why this is one happening is important for us. Okay, sickness comes into picture. Why this is a sickness so much has come? What are the reasons behind of it? How much planning was happened or not? That should be, we should be very careful about all these things. Points are. Look at that. It's called. What are the warning signals generally comes to the industry is called. What are the symptoms also comes to us? So you should be very careful about all these things. For example, shortage of liquid funds to meet short-term financial obligations, decreasing rate of return. So underutilization of the capacity, accumulation of excessive inventories, right? So all these things are nothing but they call sickness only. For example, I used to say in my community also, first of all is called this my community should be top. So that's one of the goal is called here now. Initial time is called even though I'm not investor, so I used to think that is called if the entire society is success, automatically myself will be the success. So that's the thing is called what I want to say is called beginning onwards is called let's should not have no more toilet boards in our in our colonies, no more toilets, no more sales. So this should not be there. If these two are coming, means called here people are not happy. They want to sell it. They are moving out from this place to other place. So you should minimize that as much as possible. Both the things. What is meaning of this is called? This meaning is called sickness should come down, right? Sickness should not appear, right? So what is how is called very anybody who wants to here now come to our colony, they should pay more, right? Because of the facilities we provide, all these things is more important. So automatically the rent also, I said everybody's rent you put in maximum one, you take maximum rent from the people. Why? Because of standards. So once they're paying a rent that much, what happens is called the expectations also will be more. If the expectations are more, that means we have to supposed to work harder. So like this is the here now called a cycle to be maintained. It's a very successful mantra that is implemented, and we are very much happy that one is. Of course, economy also good. Ultimately, we got successes. So this is one of the thing is called industry point of view is called. So liquid funds to meet short-term financial shortage of their liquid funds shortages. That is also one of the problem is. So you should have called as much as possible. The working capital should be available with you. The working capital is not available means there is just some problem is there. So rate of returns, how much your investment happen and how much rate is coming out, how much amount you're coming back is also decreasing, is also one symptom for you. Underutilization of capacity. A industry is there, a machine is there, you're not utilizing properly because there is no demand for you. If there is no demand, automatically underutilization happening. Yesterday, I have seen called the tomatoes because no one is purchasing tomato and the crop has come in huge manner, and automatically here no people, no one is there to purchase it, and the farmer is throwing all the tomatoes on the roads and they're going out. That is what they call underutilization of capacity is called. So more coming out, items are more coming here now. People are not ready. The functions are not happening. The marriage functions are not happening, and people are not going because of Corona time, and automatically underutilization is happening here now. That is not a good economy point of view. It is not a good one. Accumulation of excessive inventories here now, right? So you're more and more, right? You are what are the stock is there, raw material point of raw material is so much is waiting for you to take it out. That is also a not good one. There are all symptoms you should be very careful is. So what is the causes of industry sickness is called wrong location, the biggest one, wrong location, technological factors, inexperienced promoters, investment in unproductive capital assets, long gestation period. All these things are nothing what they call. What are the causes of acute sickness is internal causes and external causes. The most important thing comes into picture is called. So causes of bone sickness, causes of acute sickness is called. So anything, whatever the things is there, what are the causes of industrial sickness is a good question for you. I'll ask definitely this question for the 2 marks point of view. All of you noted down this question is, what are the causes of industrial sickness? Industrial sickness comes out, but as a engineer person, as a post-graduation person, you should tell what are the causes of industrial sickness. Sickness comes out is called, first and foremost is called, according to my experience, the biggest concern is called technological factors. Once you have now called the item is back, you have started producing that one is called, a technology can beat you, right? Technology can replace your item with other item is. Then what can I do with this old item? That should be very careful. Example is TV manufacturing. Another example is mobile phones. Once upon a time, landline phones were very comfortable. People used to purchase. Now company manufacturing only landline phones. Now they were not manufacturing the mobile phones. Automatically the company gone. Best example is Nokia phone. When Nokia, everybody said Nokia come to the Android phones. Nokia said, no, we don't want to come. We want to be with the traditional phone. Then meanwhile, the Samsung came, LG came, and these companies, 2 companies replaced the Nokia phone in the market, and everybody started using the Android phones. Now Nokia realized the point is, meanwhile, the market was gone, market occupied by the Samsung. So these are the things happening. You should be here now technological. You should go according to the technology. If you're not going out, you will not win the race, right? So if you see called Android is running here now called for last almost 12 years, Android is there now in India. So 12 years ruled. Again, if you see Nokia phone was only just 8 years, that's all. 8 years. If technology has not been adapted, Nokia, now they lost 12 years market, they lost it now. Even though now they have merged with Microsoft and they said some other points also, even though people are not believing the Nokia to purchase the Android phones are. These are the things factor comes out is. This is one of sicknesses. Nokia phone sickness was mainly technological factors only. The promoters are what are the employees who work here now, the promoters are inexperienced. They're supposed to say good suggestions to you. They're not giving good suggestions to you, inexperienced promoters, as well as the wrong location, right? So what are the items you're manufacturing happening? Your market is not there. You didn't identify a perfect market for you. You should expand your market. Now, if you're not expanding, that also another reason is investment unproductive capital assets, right? There is no production coming out, right? The unproductive capital assets. So long gestation period. Okay, that's what you have is called. You are unable to identify how much time this product will be there in the market. So you are unable to identify it. All the other reasons of it. Other reasons are power cut, lack of power supply, shortage in electricity, water supply also, erratic supply of inputs, shortage of raw materials, lack of transfer facilities, higher price, right? No equal balance of demand and supply, lack of credit facilities, storage expenses, change of out of fashion, changing government policies, lack of government support, higher authorities to larger unit. There are all the reasons behind of it. Fault at the planning and construction stage, wrong location area, absence of market analysis, unbalanced capital structure, financial problems, unable to repay, lack of financial support from banks and financial institutions. Look at the what happened is called recently. I don't know location is called. Wife and husband started the school 2 years back. They have invested 3 crores. Remember that is called 3 crores. They invested. They have constructed a very big school, right? Very big school they have. invested and constructed 2 years back, around 2019. Now, call 2019 started, people started joining the school. And what happened 2020, you know that 2020 people are not coming to school and people were not paying the fee, right? 3 crores investment happened and they brought from the finances persons and they're supposed to pay interest. So people are coming and asking, come on, pay the interest. So students are not coming to school and parents are not paying the fee to the school, right? And these two, wife and husband, unable to pay the, because of interest, they both of them took the decision of suicide. So all the, what are the dreams they had, it all of them gone vain, right? That was the happened is called, that's unable to repay. So you should be very careful about that is called. Of course, no one knows that is called corona comes like this way. No one knows that is called, but situation, look at the situation, how much horrible the situation was is called. Okay, both dreamt very well and they started a school, very investment happened. And because unable to pay the, this is called debts, whatever they take the decision of is called, let's take a suicide. So like that, they both of them not there. This is one of the biggest concern is called. Lack of financial support from banks and financial institutions, one of the reasons is called. There are all things, inefficiency of management, lack of expertise. Labor problem is the biggest one, lack of inefficient labor, lack of coordination work, unsatisfied labor is. There are all reasons of this is called. Yeah, why this lesson is for us only called to be careful, right? To tell you call at the end we have, because we want to alert you before going to the market, before going to start. These are the problems already some other companies face. It should be very careful before starting this is called. All these things should be concerned, taken into consideration before the starting of this is growing at an annual rate of 28% and 13% respectively in terms of number of units and the outstanding number of bank creditors. So increasing, annual rate is increasing. Estimated that as of today, there are more than 2 lakh SIC units with outstanding bank credit of 7,000 crores. I already told you, look at the picture of Kingfisher Malia so in the Netflix. Hope so that you have seen that. How Kingfisher Airlines were converted into SIC unities called because of the various things, debts, more and more debts, unable to repay. The Vijay Mallya left the country and right now he is in the UK. This already happened is called here. Top 10 states in terms of percentage of SIC enterprises is. Look at that is called here now. In 2006-7, this is the old database. Okay, another example is. So effect, what happens is called when the industry is sick, what are the other problems comes out? You can see left side a picture is also shown to you. So what we have seen this type of pictures when you're moving from one place to other place. Okay, when you're going to the outer ring road or when you're going to the one city to other city, definitely we had seen this type of picture, left side picture is, yes or not? So this type of pictures generally appears. When I was there in the kid, so I know what is sickness is very much. I know that is called because of my father is government employee, but other unit was there that is called jute mill. Okay, they used to make jute, right? Used to come from the Bengal and they used to convert the jute into the finished products, right? Jute bags like that. So much of smell used to come and so many labor, so much of labor. They used to stay one entire almost called families around, I can say called 1,000 families there. When the industry is so sick in it, they used to close it. Okay, sometimes they used to close 6 months, 1 year also they used to close it. And this 1 year they're unable to get the money, right? So people used to come out from that unit to the outside, and they used to do the called theft from the houses like this way. So very horrible. That is very horrible. Unemployment, wastage of resources, loss of economy and government, loss of banks and financial institutions, right? All these are some of the things you can see. This one is, and industrial unrest is. So suggestions to prevent and cure industrial sicknesses. This is the one important. What is the suggestion you can give? Proper project planning, location of a project, availability of raw material, availability of labor and technical staff, availability of financial and reasonable staff, proper market analysis, demand forecasting, study of opportunities and threats. So consumer. So next one is called consumer taste and preferences, availability of reliable distribution, soft loans for SIC units, avoid overcapitalization. This is also important. Avoid overcapitalization is the biggest one. So what are the banks takes measures and the policy framework from the government is. Okay. So this is the basics. So you got it now. So we go to the next presentation.